Try it again. Try it again. I stepped on the string. Try it again. Try it again. Now the string's caught on my foot. Hanging a bear bag. It's like the hardest part of the job, dude. Try it again. Try it again. There, dude. Now this is how you hang a bear bag so that the bear doesn't get it. It's all that you can do is try.